What I'm going to show you in this video is the Oxford Community Forum. First of all, go to the site, and this is what the site looks like. The next thing you'll do is click on the forum button, and that will take you to the forum. And once you're in the forum area, you will see that there are some titles. If you're a guest or not logged in, you can read the material that's here, but you cannot post. So let's talk about how to register so that you can post and put material in. First of all, you want to choose a username that you'll be using on the post. This username will show up when you post or reply to anything in the forum. So enter a username, and the next thing is to enter your email address. And once you get that in, you'll see down below you a thing that says math required. So what you need to do there is add those two numbers. This is so that spamming things can't really get in here easily. 2 and 4 is 6. Click on register. And when you do that, it's going to send an email. So the email will come into your email box, and you'll need to go over there first of all. Find the email that comes from the Oxford Community Forum, and you'll see that you have this really long, complicated password. What you want to do with that is click on the left mouse button and highlight it, and then click on the right mouse button, and when you do that, this menu will come up, and choose copy. It's really important to do this, as you'll see in the next step. Next thing, click on the link that's right below that password, and that will take you to this login screen. Type in your username. If there's anything in the password field, delete it. Click in the password field, right-click your mouse, and as soon as you right-click your mouse, you'll see this menu come up, and what you want to do is click on paste. So what that did is put that complicated password right there, and then you click on login, and that takes you to the login screen. You're going to need to type in your first name and your last name. It requires at least these two things. There are other things you could put in here if you want. Your website, your location, some more information about you. But you do need to have your first and last name. The next thing is to come up here and click on the change password. Now you can put in a password that you can remember. So go ahead and type in a password that you can remember. And then go ahead and type it in again. And once you've done that, then you want to go over and click on the Update Profile. And you'll see a message, your profile has been updated. Then you want to return to the forum, and you'll see now that you're logged in, and you can come to one of the topics. Let's go to the Oxford Community Dinner. I have a little bit of information there. So we'll click on that, and it will open. And we'll be able to see the various different discussions that are inside of the topic. It's the way that this is structured. So we're going to click on planning for the Oxford Community Dinner, and you'll see I've got a couple of test posts. And the next thing is you're going to want to come up here to log in, put in your username again, put in your password. same one that you used to get in the forum, and click on Login. And now you see the screen is different. See the pink, your login name and the three pink things over here? This means that you are logged in to the topic of the forum, and you can add new posts, you can add new topics or subtopics, whatever you want to do at this point. So let's click on the Oxford dinner again. And now we can see the same post, but this time you are able to actually post a reply. So we'll try that and take a look and see how that looks like. So there's some of the posts, and what you want to do is reply to a post. And what you will see is this screen. This is sort of like a word processing screen. You can type directly in the screen. It's got various different buttons. You've got your things that you see in a lot of word processors. You've got bold and italic and underline and bulleted text and outline text. You've got a place in here where you can add an image, in other words, photographs. Place over here where you can add embedded media. These are movies, short videos. You can bring in plain text, or you can paste in text from Microsoft Word or something compatible. But for now, we're just going to type right directly in the box. We'll put something in here. Let's type in, when is the Oxford Community Dinner? Now, once you have things typed in here, you can make changes if you wish. You could perhaps, maybe you want to highlight that. And so you highlight it, and let's go over and click the bold, and we'll bold that so that that shows up better. Maybe you even want to change the text color. Highlight it again, click this box, choose a color, and you can see now we've got it bold and in red. And this is basically all you need to know about how to register for the forum and how to use it. It's got some smiley things down here and some other features that you may or may not need. It's also got the thing where the math is required. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Post your new reply, and you'll see it takes just a second, and it comes right up, and there's your reply to that particular topic thread inside this particular discussion on the forum. And that's basically all you have to know to how to register for the forum and the basics of how to use it. So register for the forum and enter things that may be of interest to you or things to the Oxford community. You can add new topics and have a really good day. Thank you.